I'm Scott Squires, assistant principal here at Meadowview.
I'm Carrie Prater. I'm the principal at Meadowview.
Erica Scott, family resource coordinator.
We're really excited for open house tonight. We're having a great turnout, even though we have had some pretty crazy weather, and we are really excited for this school year. It's going to be a wonderful year at Meadowview.
Hi, my name is Tracy Fow. I'm the special education teacher here at Meadowview Elementary, and this is
Grace Thompson. I'm the first grade teacher here at Meadowview.
And we are here at open house at Meadowview. We've had a great turnout, even though it's a horrible storm out there. And what would we like our kids to know about our classroom, Miss Thompson?
Well, we're very eager to start the week next week, and we would love for our kids to come in and very happy and engaging. We can't wait to start the year with them and just get them to build a close relationship with us and learn and just have fun.
Yes, we do have fun.
Hi, I'm Angela Quillen, Interventionist here at Meadowview. And I'm Kim Durant, Interventionist here at Meadowview. And we're here at Open House here, and we're having a good time. And what we want people to know about Meadowview is it is such a great place, and we are all a family here.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Miss Freeman from Meadowview Elementary. I'm the yearbook sponsor, and this year we have something exciting going on. We're going to have a contest, and any student at Meadowview may get into the contest. What they're going to do is draw what they think would be a phenomenal cover for our yearbook. And if they win, they will win a free yearbook. So everybody be getting your minds thinking, and I want to see all the good artwork. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Krausman, and I am a bus driver with transportation for Hardin County Schools. We are at an open house right now at Meadowview Elementary, and we are giving students their bus numbers, and we're looking forward to seeing your children on the first day of school on Wednesday. Please remember to have your students out at their bus stops, okay? That makes it so much easier for every bus driver to help you with.
My name is Max Springle. I'm in 5th grade. My teacher is Miss Buckles, and Meadowview is good.
My name is Moses Cobb. I'm here with my daughter Amaya Cobb. She's going to be in the 2nd grade here at Meadowview Elementary. We're really excited about the school year starting. We met the teachers, got to talk to some of the staff. Really great help with the things that we have going on, including our buses, all the transportation, and including here in this great cafeteria, how the food is going to be laid out and given to the kids. She's really excited to be here, and we look forward to a great school year.
Dina Horton, and this is my son, Caleb. He's going into 4th grade. We've already been through 5 kids in Meadowview, so far, so good. I got a 6th grade, going into 6th grade. Meadowview's been amazing. They like it here, I guess, right? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
But yes, Meadowview's awesome.